American election 2020 is going to be held on 3rd November. Donald Trump from Republican Party and Joe Biden from Democratic Party are ready to fight in the vote for getting power. But a caution is hinted by William Ivanina, the director of National Counterintelligence and Security Center. He said Russia, China and Iran want to influence the American election. Now, actually, what does China want? China wants the defeat of Donald Trump because the relation between China and USA has become so bitter during the reign of Trump. They are conflicting on several issues like trade war, South China Sea, Iran issue, Uyghur persecution, corona pandemic, World Health Organization and so on. Even Trump recognizes coronavirus as China's virus. Hence, it might be that Xi Jinping administration doesn't like to see Donald Trump as the president of America for the second consecutive time. On the contrary, Russia by heart and soul wants Trump again in the power of USA. Even we have known that when Trump was elected in 2016 election, Russia celebrated it with joy and mirth. American intelligence agencies investigate the interference of Russia in the US election. Does Russia again want to interfere in 2020 election? They could be, as we haven't seen any conflicts between Russia and USA in the reign of Trump. Furthermore, it is sure that Iran doesn't want to see Trump in the power of USA again, because Trump left from nuclear deal between Iran and P5+1 in 2018 and imposed economic sanctions on Iran. In the beginning of 2020, General Qasem Soleimani was killed by USA. By running snapback mechanism, Trump wants to reimpose all sanctions of United Nations on Iran. Thus, Iran is totally against Donald Trump. Though who will come in the power of USA, there is no possibility to change American views on Iran. Now, what did Trump say about China and Russia? According to Trump, no other president of America was as hard as he on Russia, and also said if he loses the election, China will be very happy. It's in Joe Biden. He said if Joe Biden wins the election, China will reign America.